Hello boss, today I will show you a great house. This house made of aluminum. You can put it wherever you want. It made in the factory just in 35 days. Go inside, you can see the logo wall and the control panel. Everything in this house can be customized according to the standard of your country. We have many certification. So the decoration is well done, and here is the dry and wet separation bathroom. All the sanitary wares are auto brand. The wall is filled with polyurethane foam material, and the windows are triple glazed windows. It has insulation, very warm inside.